Back again with yet another Ray Meta glasses. So this right here is the unboxing of the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. So if you guys have seen my previous video, we've done the unboxing for Gen 1, and now we are going to do the unboxing Gen 2. So this model is the RW4012. I got the matte black clear edition, as you can tell, the Gen 2 model. Let's get started. Just like the Gen 1, we had a pull tab, just like this. Great way of unboxing. Let's go ahead and pull up this tab. And like the Gen 1, it's a nice unboxing design. Same box, or I'm sorry, same packaging as the Gen 1. The same glasses holder, charger, same thing, but it looks pretty decent. Honestly, you can't really complain or add much to this. So you got the cleaning cloth, Ray-Ban. All right, let's put this aside. Some packaging and the glasses. So let's go ahead and open these up. And there is a pull tab and it's already turning orange. So let's pull up from right here. I think that just kind of activates them. Yep, there it is. And let's pull it off just like that. So here are the Gen 2. Now I was told that these are 20% thinner than the Gen 1. I'm not too sure if that is actually correct. And I returned my Gen 1 just because they weren't perfect for me, but they do seem a bit thinner, I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's go ahead and throw these on and see how they feel. They'll feel a bit lighter for some reason, or maybe it's just been a while. Now, why I got these again, I had the Gen 1 and I got the Gen 2 just because recording vertically 1080p at a wide angle wasn't for me, right? Until I figured out, you know what, I wanted to record my customer interactions, so then I decided to just rebuy them. But at the time, I got lazy and then Gen 2 came out. Now, Gen 2, why I'm a big fan of Gen 2, at least for now, is because it is a 3K instead of just 1080p. So I get to shoot 3K 30 frames per second, and it's much better than 1080p. Whether it's Gen 1, 2, 3, 4, it doesn't matter. 3K will always outdo 1080p significantly. And in addition to that, my issues with the Gen 1 was battery life. They're stating that you get double battery health on this model as opposed to the Gen 1. So those are the two things that really just didn't do well for me. And on the Gen 2, according to them, allegedly, it's bigger and better. So let's go ahead and get this connected. How I understood it, I think it was on the Meta app. Oh, okay. And let's scan this right here to get started. So we have to download an app, Meta AI Vibes. Feels pretty nice on the head. Let's open, get started with Meta AI, set up a device. Log in, next, allow, Ray-Ban Meta. So it says you remove the protective tab to set up your glasses properly. Leave the glasses inside the case so they can power and charge. Doesn't turn blue, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the case. So they're telling me this needs to turn blue. Okay, so let's hold this button at the back for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, let go. It's not turning blue. We'll just say blue LED turned on. It found it. So I guess on the Gen 2, it doesn't turn blue, it just blinks white. So pairing, pair, okay. Our Wi-Fi, network added, learn about the basics, put on your glasses. Okay, now it's time to put on the glasses. Glasses are on. I get to hear them, sound pretty good. Okay, take a photo. Press and capture the button once. Photo's taken. Start recording. Press and hold the capture button. Okay, it's recording currently. Here are my hands. That's everything right here. Stop recording. Play music. Tap the touchpad once. Nice. Pretty cool. You increase the volume just like last. So this is the touchpad right here. You tap it to play, tap it to pause, and then you can go up to increase volume or go down to increase volume. Powered by AI, of course, everything's AI today. And then you get to ask AI questions. Like for instance, it's making me ask, hey Meta, what's the tallest building in the world? The Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai. Okay, skip. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? Pretty cool. So Meta basically is saying that she sees, or it sees, a station of repairs, a soldering station in the back, and it seems like this is a tech repair area. Pretty smart. Great job. Sure, I don't mind it. Ready to capture, done. Connect music app, I don't care for that. Why we ended up buying these glasses. As I mentioned earlier, the only reason why we got these glasses was because they shoot in 3K. In addition to that, this has 5 microphones as opposed to the Gen 1, which I believe had 3. Correct me if I'm wrong here. 5 microphones sounds better, right, for the user. Smaller additions to that, as opposed to the Gen 1, this has a 32 gigabyte storage. I probably wouldn't be storing much on the glasses anyways, but since I do plan on recording for longer durations, especially if it's 3K, I would probably need that storage. And again, with 3K, I believe we can get 3 minutes now of recording as opposed to how it was with 1 minute recording on the Gen 1s. So let's go ahead and test out the 3K footage. So currently it is recording, it's flashing that white. It's to let the people being recorded know that you're recording them. I am currently having my hands out here. We'll upload this footage so you can see what I'm looking at. This is the workstation. This right here is Luffy. We do a lot of soldering work right there and some tech repairs right here and such. Now we just recorded something and I want to see how well you could import it to here. So turn on local network, allow, and now to see the videos. So this jumps onto the local network of my glasses. And then once they're connected via the local network, then my phone could receive photos and videos from the glasses to the phone. So it's importing the photos. Full access. Okay, there they are. Wow, it's a lot better than the Gen 1. And it sounds clear. It sounds pretty good. Wow, man. That's crazy. This is why we got it for the 3K only. It's significantly better than the Gen 1s. Yeah, I'm impressed. The 3K is pretty good, just for at least the 10 seconds. So if you guys are interested on the content that we're gonna be making, we're gonna be shooting content, customer interactions, just raw footage. Every time we have a repair coming in, we'll interact with the customer. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to like and subscribe so you guys can see that content. Also, if you guys are planning on purchasing any of these, our link is in the description. If you appreciated this video, if you appreciate the channel, any sub helps. If you purchase from our link, it is a small kickback for us as well. It's not going to cost you anything more. So either way, we'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We will be uploading another video in the next few upcoming weeks with our review on the product. And why I say 2-3 weeks is because I do really want to test it up front with customers and I want to record our interactions, and you'll see the reels and TikToks and shorts on YouTube and how they are and such. So we should have a pretty thorough review. If you're interested in that review, make sure you are liked and subscribed to this video. Click on that bell icon as well so you can get notified on the next video up. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.